Let's create this soft and elegant floral nail design step by step. We'll begin with a ready-made buff nail tip. Now, let's move on to the base color. Apply your first layer of white polish. Use a sponge tool. Gently dab across the nail. Take your time here. This technique softens the color instantly. It creates a light, diffused effect instead of a flat white. Cure it. Now go in with a second layer of white polish. Again, use the sponge to dab and blend. Focus on building a soft gradient. Keep the edges airy and smooth. This gives a cloud-like base that looks very soft and elegant. Cure it. Once you're happy with the blend, apply a top coat. This helps even out the texture. It smooths everything beautifully. Cure it. Now comes the artistic part. Start with soft petals. Use light, gentle strokes. Let your hands stay relaxed. Don't press too hard. Add more petals. Keep the shapes natural and flowing. Use soft shades like pink or purple. Then bring in green tones for the leaves. Add stem to the flower. Next, paint thin stems for a white flower. Keep them fine and delicate. Let them flow naturally across the nail. Add small white dots. Place them gently around the design. You can cluster a few near the flowers. Keep them soft and balanced. Add soft white petals to the stem. Now add the center of the white flower. Use a soft orange shade. Keep it small and subtle. Place it right in the middle of the petals. This adds warmth and makes the flower stand out. Now add the center of the purple flower. Use a light purple shade. Keep it subtle. Now add a tiny bee. Don't worry about perfection. Keep your strokes light and simple. Just suggest the shape. A soft, delicate bee adds a lovely touch of life. Next, paint an orange flower. Use a warm, vibrant tone. Add petals of a flower one by one. Then add a slightly darker shade for shadow. Blend it gently to create depth. Finish with a soft white center and cure it. This contrast makes the flower pop beautifully. Take a moment to look at your design. Make sure everything feels balanced. Now seal everything with a final top coat. Cover the entire nail evenly. This protects your design. It also enhances the colors and shine. Cure it one last time under your lamp. Make sure it's fully set. And here's the final result.